Let's see whether we'll spot a deer. See what the Lord has done. Can you see what the Lord has done? What we waited for has come to pass. Oh, see what the Lord has done. This is gonna be your testimony. You will sing this song when God has done that thing for you, when He has healed you, when He has delivered you, when He has opened that door, when you have signed that contract, when He has increased your finance. You will open up your mouth and you will sing, see what the Lord has done. When God